This is the procedure for removing the water supplying device. Set the disassembly jack, push bolts and hexagonal bolts on the bowl bushing jack. Gradually tighten the handle to release the bowl bushing jack. Remove the cap nuts from the operating water inlet pipe of the water supplying device. The water supplying device is essential equipment to ensure that the main cylinder operates correctly. If the water slits become occluded with fur, the required operating water may not be supplied to the hydraulic chambers in the bowl, causing failures in emission and closing pressure. Occurrence of dirt in the water supplying device varies according to the quality of the water. Inspect and clean the water supplying device before fur can form. If the slits become clogged because fur forms on the water supplying device, clean the operating water line with a straightener. If operating water is supplied to the tank, clean the tank as well. Tighten the socket set screw on the chamber cover and remove the 3 socket cap screws fastened to the operating water disc. Set the disassembly jack, push bolt, hexagonal bolt and handle on top of the vertical shaft. Tighten the handle to remove the water supplying device. At this point, if the water supplying device cannot be removed simply by tightening the handle, tap the center of the push bolts to be released easily. This completes the release of the water supplying device.